This video is from my wife. She say I doesn't do nothing in work. She say all I do is sit down.
Yes guys, so 6 a.m. on a Tuesday morning, and today you all will be meeting one of the cast from Trinidad village up and close, the village to Quran. You know, we work hard and play hard until we see exactly what that's about.
So this is how you pick okra, people. Easy.
What do you mean? That's bending?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Normally I
you pick this size in 2 days time, you get to pick again.
So every 2 days you cut?
Every 2 days. So you leave back this in 2 days time, you get this to pick.
Okay.
This size.
And how much days you can continue picking okra for?
Months.
Months?
Yeah.
Okay, so once
you plant and you start to pick, you pick for like 3 months, 4 months. Comfortable.
So one okra tree could harvest a lot of okras.
Yeah.
So you recommend for like a young farmer coming up, a okra tree is a good starter?
A good starter to get yourself on your feet.
Okay. Plenty maintenance on an okra tree?
No, not really. Cheap.
Cheap?
Very cheap. One of the cheapest in the market right now.
Oh God. What are we looking at here right now?
This is tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Very nice, pretty cheap.
Wow. I actually didn't see any tomatoes. Look how much it have.
So the tomato run from the bottom straight up. Very nice.
Okay, I tried to plant tomatoes a couple times. What advice you have for us planting tomatoes?
Open up the bank account, a lot of money.
A lot of money?
A lot of money to grow tomato.
So the way you're trying to say tomatoes is an actual risk?
Actually, yes, it is.
Especially with price in Trinidad here right now.
Yeah.
Wow. Check how much. When does tomatoes be ready to pick?
In about a month's time.
A month time? Wow. Wow, look at the size of that.
Let's put the clipper.
So you can't break it, Papa?
You could, but how the tree young and I'm not breaking them.
Wow. Beautiful. So how much time should we put this grow?
In a month and a half time you should be picking. This field is only a month and 3 weeks. And we already start to pick them.
Oh, a month and 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay, great. How much picking is get from one sea pepper tree?
Maybe 3 months, 4 months. According to how you maintain it, salt, spray. Same thing goes to all the crops.
Okay.
Then take a tight shot here.
So the way said I could pick any pepper and carry too. I like this one right there though.
Yeah, go ahead now.
Oh my God. Wow. It's pretty monster. Nothing like a fresh sweet pepper.
Alright, Trinidad every day is doing gardening.
Can I do it? I don't do it. Yeah? We're gonna make a video with this.
Well, yeah.
We're on to the bygone trees. Divish, between okra, sweet pepper and bygone, if you had to choose one crop, which one?
I like bygone.
You like bygone?
I like bygone. It's between the expensive and cheap garden, yet, but nowadays it's getting a little trouble, but that's okay.
So, bygone more expensive to plant than okra and
yeah, and sweet pepper.
But
a lot more chemicals.
But the profit margin could be higher.
Could be higher, yeah.
Okay, okay. This guy's in the wild. Some snake hunting, right? You know your boy foot sensitive to snake. That is a nice bygone. Woo! How long it took for these bygone to get that size?
2 months, 2.5 months.
2.5 months. Not bad. And what pound you might get for them bygone? Wholesale?
Right now it's selling about 5 and 6 something, so around there. Could be more. I wish it was more.
So Divesh as a farmer, right? Who makes the money? The farmer or the middleman?
Middleman.
Middleman?
Always.
Always?
No expense.
No expense, eh? So,
always a profit.
So why not be a middleman?
Don't have time.
Sure.
When you come in the garden 5 a.m., half 5, you work till 11, 12, then you go home and take a rest and come back in the evening again. You don't even have time for yourself.
So Divesh, I never asked you, why be a garden? Why not anything else? I don't know.
Well, my dad was a gardener, so I grew up helping him. And it's an independent job. You don't have to have a boss round the neck whole day. So you work on your own time, and if you take a holiday, you stay home. Besides that, I guess it's nice. You get a sweat, so your body active and you're healthy.
Yeah. And again, all natural food, I guess.
Yeah. And it's been nice. It's nice. It's very nice when you plant something and it's there and you see your hard work.
And you make a nice profit.
It's a nice feeling.
But I know sometimes you got hit hard, Divesh.
Yeah.
Especially
this COVID was very hard, very hard.
And what were the tomato crop you did that time too, boy?
It came okay. Just I got some problem with the rain.
No, I remember that time when tomatoes went down to like what, $1?
Oh yeah.
Yes, remember that?
Yeah. But I lost a lot of money. I ain't see it back yet.
A lot of money. So it is a risk.
True.
But it's something I guess you love doing. And
yeah, I guess what can I say? Gardeners like gambling.
Yeah.
You have to put out to get. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't. But you just have to go down the road.
Well, we hope most time you win, right?
Oh, Wasaro come from here.
Yeah, the touch of water.
This video is from my wife. She say I doesn't do nothing in work. She say all I do is sit down.
The boy working damn hard. Real hard. Just to make sure your wife get everything she wants. So Divesh,
Yeah.
after you do all this work, she just still where you go and do housework, boy?
Yeah, boy.
Nah, boy.
Cook, clean my pepper.
Nah. If I had a husband like you, When you come home, I squeezing your foot, boy.
It ain't Did good, good job.
So this is the guys behind the scene, people. Check them out. They're quick on the draw. How Divish is as a boss, fellas? He's a good boss?
Nah, he's the boss. Yeah, we have a problem.
No problem?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you do it?
You push.
No, you don't push it, right? You do your work in your time and just finish your work.
Yeah, that's it.
Right. Yeah. Take a little drink and?
Right.
Yeah, you enjoy what you're doing?
Right. Don't push me.
You don't push all. So he's a... That's not Divish.
Nah.
Other bosses just do that?
Yeah, boy, it has a boss is a big job, boy.
Serious?
Yeah.
Me and Divish, we working out anything like pressing up, go come, thing, you know, or one of them fellas go come and access speed.
Yeah.
You don't force it. You don't force on the work at all.
Now you're a cool mellow one, man.
Yeah. I know if you just got me in mind.
Nah, you talk good. You talk good about all the fellas.
Yeah?
Very nice. Yeah, fellas, later. This is how we just do it in the garden. Now we're talking about? One time, fresh coconut.
Fresh coconut.
I thought you was going to do a one chop thing.
What a cold too. Fucking steam up my glasses. Right then.
Yes guys, and that was the end of Trinidad.tt video. Garden edition. Until next time.
That's a wrap.